सिलेबस के बाद अगली बात आती है नोट्स बनाने की। मेरे हिसाब से नोट्स बनाना इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क, स्पेशली बिकॉज यूपीएससी इज लाइक अ मैराथन। ये एग्जाम ही 1 साल का होता है, प्रिपरेशन कई बार कई सालों तक चलता है, एंड बिना नोट्स बनाने के इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल समटाइम्स टू रिमेंबर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू हैव लर्न्ड, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू हैव रेड। Secondly, notes also help to consolidate your effort. It helps to assimilate what you have learned. It helps to understand. It helps to revise. And therefore, notes बनाना मैं डिजिटल मीडियम में बनाता था। अगर आप नोट्स बनाए, especially डिजिटल मीडियम में, then you will be able to appreciate and perform, according to me, in a much better way. ये मेरी गलती लास्ट ईयर के अटेम्प्ट में थोड़ी रही थी। मैंने सिलेबस और नोट्स दोनों को अच्छे से लिंक नहीं किया था। ना सिलेबस से बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई किया था, सिलेबस को देखते हुए एक एक टर्म को पढ़ाई करते हुए, ना नोट्स मेरा उस हिसाब से ऑर्गेनाइज था, और ये मेरी गलती इस अटेम्प्ट में रही। एंड इसलिए मैं आई वुड लाइक यू टू लर्न फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड फोकस ऑन दीज टू। जहाँ तक तीसरी बात है टेस्ट सीरीज एंड आंसर राइटिंग की, especially for people who have not done classroom coaching, test series becomes a very important task. It is important to judge yourself. It is important to know yourself कि आपकी कहाँ गलती रह गई, आपकी कहाँ कमी रह गई. Each of us is a different person. And एक टॉक में मैं एग्जैक्ट नहीं बता पाऊंगा कि आपकी कहाँ कमी रह गई, आपकी क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, बट टेस्ट सीरीज से आप ये खुद जान सकते हैं कि where did you perform well, where are you lagging, and if you read according to, if you judge yourself, if you see what the feedback you're getting, what improvements you're getting, you'll be able to improve yourself in a much better way and you'll be able to perform better. दूसरा test series also helps to enrich your content. It helps in answer writing practice. It helps you to learn a lot of things. चौथा, and which according to me is the most important thing for the GS mains, is that of optional. Last year economics option में मेरे the single reason why I went to the interview stage but could not clear it finally was because मेरे optional में number बहुत कम थे, 218 marks. Probably because I did not read a lot for optional, probably because this was not my original background. I come from a different background altogether. But nonetheless मैंने इससे जो सीखा second attempt में कि बिना optional के dedicated पढ़ाई के it may become a very difficult exercise. And especially in an optional like economics जो मैं optional था, writing practice is a very essential task. You need to practice drawing the diagrams, and I think the same would hold true for almost any optional. Without writing a lot, without understanding and without assimilating, option can be a very difficult exercise. And regarding the time management between optional and GS, my learning is that optional holds a key. So you cannot relegate your optional and you must give at least 40% or 30% of your time for the optional. This is something that I did not do in my last attempt, and I don't want you to repeat my mistake this time. Finally, interview stage के बारे में भी अगर मैं कुछ बता सकूं, because मेरे interview में number अच्छे थे. Interview, according to me, is all about respect. Respect to the board, respect to yourself, and that is confidence. Respect to your nation, patriotism, respect to the people, empathy, and respect to your institutions, even the book that you have read, graduation mein, etc. And baki interview में you will get a lot of time, don't worry about that. Your focus should be to read from the perspective of mains though. Your focus must be on the round of mains. Read from the perspective of mains, it will help in all the rounds. Even in prelims, as I have told before, and people and well-wishers who are messaging me this time as well, कि यहाँ भी prelims में इस बार बहुत सारे scope थे to use common sense, to use etymological approaches. For example, people are saying कि मैंने ज़्यादा अच्छे से पेपर अभी देखा नहीं है, but for example एक question था इस बार कोडाई, which of these is a man-made lake, and एक option था कोडाई canal, and कोडाई plus canal is कोडाई canal, तो उसके basis पे they were able to deduce out कि हाँ this was a man-made lake based on etymological approach.